All right, welcome back. Let's get to these moves. Joe, you have several here.
Yes.
Let's do this buy that you have personally. Joe T already owns Interactive Brokers. Why did you feel the need to buy it personally as well?
Well, I've been waiting to buy this. This is a name that I've owned in the past personally. Josh has done a good job in the last couple of weeks talking about the value of owning exchanges here, and I really view Interactive Brokers as exactly that. It's offering you exposure to trading in equities, commodities, currencies, bonds, and crypto. The activity is very fluid right now, very strong volumes, and you had a significant pullback, largely attributable, not really idiosyncratic to Interactive Brokers, but this is a momentum name. This has been one of the better momentum names in the financial sector, and I really believe it's been more about that universal macro environment, the unwind of momentum that's pulled it down.
Okay. We'll continue to follow. It's up, looks to me, about 4%. But we'll watch it. You sold CVS. Why?
Sold CVS, took about a 6% gain, and I was looking here for a reversal more in the fundamentals. You know, a lot of times when we make a sale for an existing position, I think people incorrectly interpret that as it's binary. You think it's going lower. No, I'm just looking at the risk to reward profile and saying, okay, why did I take the position? I took the position because I wanted to see some fundamental shift. You've got that unfolding. I still think this stock could go a lot higher, but for me, it's time to step to sidelines and take the profit on it and move into another healthcare name that's more aligned to what I do, which is where could I identify strong technical conditions. I don't think you could really do that when you pull the lens back on CVS over the last 3 years or 5 years.
What is that? Is McKesson?
That's McKesson.
So that's a fresh new buy.
That's a fresh new buy, and I think the other thing that's important, Scott, you know this. You've been doing this momentum stuff with me now for the last several years. You know, we're talking about all these momentum names and the fact that they're stabilizing and potentially recovering. Guess what? In 60 to 90 days, all of the momentum funds, these aren't the momentum names anymore. These names are going to be liquidated, and momentum is going to shift elsewhere within the market. I think one of the areas that's going to shift to is healthcare. McKesson is a fantastic name. It's already guided higher on EPS to 19 to 20%. Oncology, biopharma are working really well, and you can see from the chart, here it is, pressing towards a 52-week high.